To download Tradingview on Linux, you need to have a few prerequisites in place. First, ensure you have a compatible Linux distribution, such as Ubuntu or Debian. You will also need to have the necessary permissions to install software on your system. Start by opening a terminal on your Linux system. You can do this by searching for terminal in the applications menu or by using a keyboard shortcut. Once the terminal is open, you will need to update your package list to ensure you have access to the latest software packages. You can do this by typing the command apt update and pressing enter. Next, you will need to install the necessary dependencies to run Tradingview. Tradingview is a web-based platform, but it can be accessed through a browser or by using a third-party application. To install the dependencies, type the command apt install wget and press enter. This will install the wget package, which is used to download files from the internet. After installing the dependencies, you can download the Tradingview application. Since Tradingview does not have a native Linux application, you will need to use a third-party application or access it through a browser. One popular option is to use the Tradingview web application, which can be accessed by typing the URL https://www.tradingview.com in your browser and pressing enter. If you want to create a desktop shortcut for Tradingview, you can do this by right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Create Launcher. Then, enter the URL https://www.tradingview.com in the URL field and give the launcher a name, such as Tradingview. Another option is to use a third-party application, such as the Tradingview desktop application, which can be downloaded from the Tradingview website. To do this, go to the Tradingview website and click on the download button. Then, select the Linux option and follow the installation instructions. Best practices for downloading and installing Tradingview on Linux include ensuring you have the necessary permissions and dependencies installed, using a reputable source to download the application, and following the installation instructions carefully. Additionally, make sure to keep your system and application up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features and security patches. By following these steps, you should be able to download and install Tradingview on your Linux system. Remember to always follow best practices and use reputable sources to download software to ensure the security and integrity of your system.